Right, I'm given 1.2.1. They told me to factorize. Now, some of you, I know, man, when it comes to questions like these ones, when you ask to factorize, you jump. Right, don't panic, relax. Look at this now. Really look at this. Now, what are you used to? Like we had in our previous expression, we had x squared minus x minus 6. That one was fairly easy to factorize, right? We're just looking for factors for the first term, x times x, factors for the last term, right? On the previous expression, I was looking for numbers. If I multiply, they gave me 6, and then if I add or subtract those numbers, they gave me 1. Factors for 6 is 1 and 6, and 3 and 2. So the 3, it's only the 3 and the 2 that gives me 1 if I add or subtract those numbers, two numbers. So big number on this side, small numbers on this side. Negative, positive times negative, negative, negative times negative, it's positive. So it's fairly easy doing this one. But what about this one now? Let me try and make it and write it in this form. Have 1 here as a coefficient, not 5. How do I do with the 5? I don't just remove the 5 or throw away the 5. Now what do I do now? Take the 5 and multiply it on the last term. So what are we left with? We're gonna have x squared minus 2x minus 15. So now that it's in this form, I can do what I want. I can look for factors now, since I have it in the simplest form. Now, factors for x squared, it's x and x. Factors for 15, if I multiply those numbers, numbers of 2, mangi multiply is with 15, got a mangi add and mangi subtract with 2. So it's 5. Remember, big number, a big factor on this side, small factor on this side, and then we have what? We have 3. So I want to type more. Negative, positive times negative gives me what? Gives me positive. Negative times negative gives me what? Gives me positive. So in this case, what did I had initially? I had 5 on this one. X times x does not give me 5x squared. It gives me only what? X squared. So I want meaning we select move and just so what am I going to do now? I'm gonna divide these numbers by 5. Divide that number by what? By 5. You're multiplying now, then we say move a man you divide. So now bracket I'm gonna have x plus 1. But on this one, so sorry, this was negative. This was supposed to be negative. So I'm gonna have minus 1